Hello everyone, my name is Isa and I'm a solution engineer here at Pipefy. Today, I'll demonstrate how Pipefy helps finance teams with their finance request processes. When speaking of finance requests, some examples come to mind. Purchase requests, reimbursements, and general requests such as document copies and registration adjustments. Over the years, we have worked with a variety of market-leading companies and we have noticed some common pain points in the finance request processes, such as low request visibility, hindering deadline management and analysis of metrics, decentralized communication channels for the requester, missing and delayed information required to solve requests, and repetitive and manual work procedures that take away valuable time from the team. If these issues sound familiar, our platform can help. With Pipefy, you can have a full overview of your operation, easily accessing request data to visualize deadlines and KPIs in a single place. Centralize requests received without reducing channel options for the requester, making communication easy among stakeholders. Standardize your process structure and your data input, guaranteeing both quality and assertiveness to your team's activities. And customize the platform with your own business rules in order to create an automatic and error-proof workflow while the team focuses on tasks that really matter. Inside Pipefy, we can identify three main roles for the finance operation: requesters, agents, and leaders. Let's dive deeper into those roles in this example. A request starts with the requester submitting a demand to the finance team. Then, the finance analyst should handle and solve this request in an organized and consistent way throughout a standard process. All this operation is guided by the leader that monitors the team's performance and has access to the process data. Now that you understand this structure a little bit better, let's start our Pipefy tour with the requester's point of view. For the requester, it is relevant that requests can be created through easy access channels. In Pipefy, there are many ways to open new requests, so you can choose what fits your requester best. One of the core ways of opening requests is through forms. They can be both centralized in a customized portal inside Pipefy or available publicly through a link, so external personnel such as customers and suppliers can have access to it. The benefit of using forms is to receive complete and standardized information. So in this example, the requester accessed the finance form from their phone through the Pipefy app. We just fill in the fields and submit. Another example is using internal messaging software to simplify access to the finance team. By contacting the virtual assistant, all information is sent to Pipefy, just as it is done with a form. Now that new requests were sent to the finance team, let's see the routine of a finance analyst with Pipefy. We access the work environment and select the process we would like to work on. In this case, finance requests, where we centralize general requests that are sent to the finance team. Inside the process, we have a full overview of steps and active requests. The analyst can see everything in a single place and in an organized fashion. We can quickly identify deadlines and find which requests we are responsible for. New requests will always arrive in the screening step where we can start working on them. Let's choose one and fill in the pending information. Here, some information was inserted automatically by applying business rules to the process. The analyst is assigned automatically according to the request type, and the deadline is defined according to the internal policy. In reimbursement requests such as this one, the attached bills are also automatically read, filling in the related value information, overall avoiding unnecessary manual work. Now the analyst can focus on the job to be done, verifying if the request details are adequate and filling in the relevant information to move the process forward. The request will flow according to its type. Reimbursement requests go directly to payment, while other requests might need to go through quotation and processing. Even though different paths are possible, all requests are subject to approval. Here we define that all requests above $1,000 will require approval. So the analyst will wait while the request is approved by the cost center manager. To speed up the process, we do not require that this approver accesses Pipefy, so we connect our workflow with the internal messaging tool. Now the approver doesn't even have to stop their routine. They receive the message, and by clicking here, the request moves forward in Pipefy instantly. In minutes, the reimbursement is ready to be scheduled and paid. We can also connect Pipefy to payment tools such as Stripe or ERPs such as NetSuite, sending the request for payment without leaving the demand in Pipefy. For requests that require a document signature, we can also connect them to the flow. The analyst simply clicks here to request a signature. And after the document is signed by the requester, it returns to Pipefy automatically and the request is completed. To guarantee the efficiency of our team of analysts, a satisfaction survey is sent to the requester, confirming that expectations were met during the process. To close up, let's now switch to the leader's perspective. In other words, the finance manager. With Pipefy, managers can control the team's view and permissions. We can also observe the quality of the analyst services using the satisfaction survey replies and the dashboard tool. Here we have full metric visibility over the process, being able to monitor the team's performance and find improvement opportunities, such as reducing the average lead time of requests. It is also possible to connect process data to other analytical tools, such as Tableau and Power BI. Anyhow, within dashboards or in the workflow itself, every customization is clicks away with Pipefy's no-code interface. We can add new charts to the dashboard, or, for example, create a new step in our process, customizing the flow in a matter of seconds. Therefore, we have total governance over our operation, with every information and every tool at hand to enable a seamless process that evolves consistently. And with that, we finished this quick demonstration of a finance request process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our community or contact our team through email or through the Pipefy chat.